What's up guys, Bobby here from Slicktext, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Zapier to opt-in contacts from your third-party application of choice. Ready? Let's check it out. Inside the dashboard, we're going to head over to our My Account tab and down to My Integrations. On the next page, tap Find an Integration. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Integrate with Zapier. On the next page here, it might ask you to log into your Zapier account. I'm already logged in. So what we're gonna do here is we are actually gonna search for an application. We're gonna opt in contacts from Mailchimp in this tutorial. Before we do that though, I'm gonna go over to Mailchimp and I'm gonna make sure I have a web form set up in there with phone field on these web forms. Could be a landing page, could be embedded on your website. These forms are created by Mailchimp. And I'm gonna give you a couple tips on things that you're gonna need on this web form to be compliant for SMS marketing. So inside your Mailchimp account, we're gonna go down to Create and Landing Pages. We'll just create a landing page. And we'll select a real simple one. All right, so what I've done is I've gone into Mailchimp and started to create a landing page. All right, we have some explanation of what they're opting in for at the top. We're gonna add our compliance statement at the bottom, which is really important. And we're gonna add a phone field to this form. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add phone to this form. That's the first requirement when you integrate any third-party application, you gotta collect phone number. The second thing we wanna do is add our compliance statement. So I'm gonna go back into Slicktext and over to my text word settings for the BB Grill word. And I'm gonna have you copy a compliance statement. All right, so inside your auto reply, you should have a statement right here on the right side. And this is called your compliance statement. It's something that's needed by the cellular carriers inside the US and Canada to make sure the consumer knows their rights, all right? So that's the fine print for a recurring text marketing program. All right, so you can see I have both of those. And we're gonna go ahead and save and close. And then we'll go ahead and publish this web form. All right, here's the URL. I'm just gonna copy that to show you guys what it looks like once I publish it. All right, and now it's published. Great, we've hit a home run, all right? We can check out this web form, okay? So we got email, phone. Now that we have our web form created in our third-party application, we can now connect Mailchimp to our Slicktext account through Zapier. So we're gonna go back over to Zapier. All right, so over in Zapier, if you're not logged in, it might ask you to log in. We're gonna search for Mailchimp and then search for Slicktext. Now the trigger that we want to happen is when a new subscriber is created in Mailchimp, we opt them into Slicktext. All right, we're gonna use this Zap, and then we're gonna select the list that we've created inside Mailchimp. Great, we'll just go ahead and pick that, and then customize the user data. We'll use the contacts off that list, hit continue. And now we're down to testing the trigger. Should pull in my contact, there's the email, and then there's the phone number, okay? If you don't have any contacts with phone numbers in Mailchimp right now, it won't actually populate this field, so make sure you have at least one contact in there to populate this. So now we're gonna go down to the action. What do we want to do? So we want to make sure that we send these contacts to Slicktext, opt them in, we'll hit continue. And then it's gonna ask us to pick a list that we wanna send these contacts to inside Slicktext. We'll tap continue again, and then we're gonna select the information that's coming from Mailchimp to Slicktext. All right, so what text word is it gonna be? BB Grill. Where's the phone field? We need to make sure we have that. So we're gonna show all options, and it should say merges phone right there. We don't need anything else. I mean, we could add email in there, but not necessary. Okay, scroll down to the bottom and hit continue. And now we can run a test. Okay, we can test and review. All right, there is my text message. I have received it successfully. I'll reply yes to that text message, and then I'll receive the auto reply for that text list. Okay, so we're all good there. So now let's actually test it out on the actual web form itself. So let's just skip the test and click done editing, and let's go ahead and turn this Zap on. Okay, now the Zap is on. We're gonna go back over to our web form, and we're gonna punch in our email address and punch in our phone number. Hit subscribe, And by default, we're gonna send a opt-in message that they have to reply yes to. Now, in certain situations with Zapier, you can actually choose just to send a single opt-in or no confirmation message at all. Those are very rare instances, and if you need to do that, you'll have to contact us for some custom code snippet to put inside Zapier. All right, by default, there's a double opt-in. They must reply yes to confirm electronic signature. All right, let's check out my phone. All right, so on my phone, I just received the confirmation message. I'm gonna reply yes, and then I'll receive the auto reply for that text word list that we specified. All right, there it is. Now back inside our Mailchimp account, you'll notice my email address has been added, and back inside my Slicktext account, you'll see that my phone number has been added to the BB Grill list. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Zapier to opt-in contacts from your third-party application of choice to Slicktext. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.